I have found little good about human being. In my experience, most of them are trust. The only person with whom you have to compare ourselves is that you in the past, and the only person better you should be. This is who you are now. We are what we wish to become. It all depends on how we look at things and not how they are in themselves. We are not what happened to us. A person with too much ambition cannot sleep in peace. He who refuses to obey cannot command. Being happy is better than being king. Once you carry your own water, you will remember every drop. Nobody, as long as the move among the chaotic current of life, is without trouble. In each of us there is another own. We do not know. Not everyone who chased the zebra caught it, but he who caught it chased it. Home affairs are not talked about on the public square. Nobody does anything if he can get anybody else to do it. He who thinks great thought often make great error. We live in the best of all possible world. God is dead, He remained dead, and we have killed Him. Happiness is not an ideal of reason but of imagination. We are what we respectfully do. Excellent then is not an act but a habit. Science is what you know. Philosophy is what you do not know.